Good morning, Philippines. Beach Bum here. It's about 7 a.m. on Sunday, March the 1st. Yep, leap year is over. February 29th. You have to wait another 4 years. Anybody that has a birthday on February 29th, happy real birthday. Anyway, I had some requests on showing the water a little better. The water is beautiful here. Today happens to be a little, well, not quite as blue as it usually is. Sometimes it's just like a beautiful, beautiful blue. Crystal clear. Maybe because it's early in the morning. I'll try taking another one later when I see the beautiful blue. But one of my problems is I can't really take underwater because I don't have a GoPro or a lens for this camera that goes underwater. This is not that great of a camera. It's just a Huawei P7 Pro. Huawei does make a really nice phone that has a 35mm camera. It's the only one that's actually for sale that's 35mm. But it's about $1,000. 45,000 pesos, I believe. Might even be more than that. So, I don't know. If everybody helps me subscribe, helps me grow, maybe I'll be able to afford it. Take better pictures, especially underwater. But right now, this is kind of the best I can do. Like I said, normally it's more of a beautiful blue color. Maybe there was a storm out at sea or something. But I'll try again later on in the afternoon. But this is it, the beach at 7 a.m. So yeah, keep tuning in and find some more subscribers for me so I can buy the good camera. Right now, all my expenses are going for this, to build this resort. So if you like what you see, give me the thumbs up. And tell all your friends to subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm up to like 30 subscribers right now, but that's not nearly enough. I think you need like 1,000 or something to actually make money. But I'll get there eventually. But continue watching so you can help me move this along. Help me build this resort. Watch it till completion. I can't wait to get the tarpaulin, they call it, with my name on it. The name of the resort, not my name, which is Tides End. Tides End Resort. We always get kids over here climbing on my wall. I have to tell them to get down. For one, they can get hurt. For two, very expensive wall. Not that they can really hurt it. I'll give you a look at the other side real quick. I think I showed this in another video, but we cleaned it up. There was a lot of trash in here. Right now there's no water. There's just kids playing. But in rainy season, this is like a river. It comes down fast. And it flows right to the ocean. So that's it. That's really nothing else to show you. We're probably going to pick up some trash on the beach. Unfortunately, where we're located, the waves come right in here, this direction, which is waves heading south. The mountains are north. So we have to pick up trash every day. It washes ashore. Like I said before, no matter how beautiful the beach is, how remote, whatever part of the world you're in, there's going to be trash on the beach. Just watch some of the survival channels on the TV. They go to very remote places where there's nobody and there's still trash on the beach. It's a shame. But these waters are pretty clean, considering. Okay, I'm going to tune out, and I'll try to video again when the water's a little more beautiful, like it normally is. So for now, Beach Bum out.